How to completely uninstall or delete apps or games from BlueStacks 5. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how can you uninstall apps or games from BlueStacks 5 using the simplest method. We'll explore two easy ways to uninstall any app or game. So the first method is very straightforward. Simply select the app and long press this application and then click on uninstall to completely uninstall it from BlueStacks 5. The second method is very simple. First of all, go to the settings and then after go to the apps. And here are the list of apps that are in my BlueStacks 5. If you want to delete any of the apps from here, simply click on it and then after click on uninstall and the entire application info will be uninstalled from the BlueStacks 5. This is how you can completely uninstall or delete app or games from BlueStacks 5. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.